Hi, this is Luke from Toyota Parts Plus. Today the 2018 Toyota Corolla, stock number 6530. This ran from the 6th 2016 to the 8th 2018. It has a 2ZR 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the 2ZR 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol hybrid engine. The front headlight, left front guard, no dents, left front 16-inch factory alloy mega tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mega tyre, left rear taillight, rear tailgate no dents, right hand taillight, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mega tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front guard no dents, right front 16-inch factory alloy mega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen, sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,